Unimaginable volumes of raw material are moved through mining operations across the world. But before those resources can support industries, power economies, and meet global demand, they must first be extracted, loaded, and wood transported by some of the most capable machines ever built. From busy production sites to remote quarry faces, a fleet of specialized equipment works around the clock to keep material flowing. Each machine was designed to solve a different challenge, pushing the limits of power, efficiency, and endurance in some of the harshest working environments on Earth. As we move deeper into the mining world, the machines grow larger, the tasks become tougher, and the scale becomes almost difficult to comprehend. This is the story of the giant machines that keep mines running. At a busy coal operation like Hector Epe, dozens of haul trucks arrive one after another, each waiting only moments before heading back to continue the cycle. Even the slightest delay can ripple through the entire operation, reducing productivity across the site. Meeting that relentless pace requires equipment built for fast, repetitive loading rather than deep excavation. That's where the Caterpillar 990 has earned its reputation. Designed as one of Caterpillar's largest wheel loaders, it combines high breakout performance, rapid hydraulic response, and excellent mobility, allowing operators to move continuously between stockpiles and waiting trucks without losing valuable time. Power comes from a Cat C27 engine producing approximately 801 horsepower, giving the loader the strength to handle heavy bucket loads throughout long working shifts. Depending on its configuration, the machine weighs roughly 73 to 79 short tons and carries a standard bucket ranging from about 7.4 to 9.7 cubic meters, striking a balance between payload, speed, and fuel efficiency for continuous production. In mining, productivity is measured not only by how much a machine can lift, but by how efficiently it keeps every other machine working. And that is exactly where this loader proves its value. Not every extraction site demands the same kind of equipment. Different materials, terrain, and production targets all require different solutions. Built to handle demanding excavation and loading work, the Volvo EC480DL has earned its place in heavy-duty operations where productivity depends on both power and precision. Powered by a Volvo D13F six-cylinder diesel engine producing approximately 360 horsepower, the EC480DL operates at a working weight of around 52 to 59 short tons, depending on its configuration. Its responsive hydraulic system and versatile bucket options allow operators to maintain efficient loading cycles across a wide range of working conditions, making it a dependable machine for continuous productions. From this angle, every loading cycle feels almost effortless. One bucket after another drops into the waiting truck below with remarkable precision, while the excavator barely pauses before reaching back for the next load. It's a smooth, repetitive rhythm that keeps material moving throughout the day. Behind that seemingly simple routine is an experienced operator making countless small adjustments to ensure every bucket lands exactly where it should, keeping the trucks moving with minimal delay. Rather than relying on sheer size alone, The Volvo EC480DL delivers its greatest strength through consistency. Hour after hour, it repeats the same precise loading cycle with impressive reliability, proving that sustained production is built not only on powerful machines, but also on equipment capable of performing the same demanding task accurately, shift after shift. Not every mining operation can rely on blasting to break the ground apart. At this site, extraction follows a far more controlled approach, where each cut must be carefully planned to recover valuable material while preserving the stability of the working face. Introduced as part of Liebherr's next generation of mining excavators, the R9150B was developed for operations requiring high productivity without sacrificing accuracy. Depending on its configuration, it weighs approximately 140 to 150 short tons and is powered by a diesel engine producing around 800 horsepower. Large front shovel and backhoe attachments allow the machine to adapt to different extraction methods while maintaining efficient loading cycles throughout long production shifts. Watch the boom ease forward, and it's clear that brute force alone isn't doing the work. The bucket teeth gradually work their way into the exposed face, breaking material loose before lifting a full load toward the waiting haul truck. Every movement is deliberate, minimizing unnecessary disturbance while maximizing recovery. From inside the cab, the operator balances power with precision, repeating the same smooth sequence hundreds of times throughout the day. High in the French Pyrenees, the landscape tells a completely different story. Perched nearly 6,000 feet above sea level, the Trimouns mine is one of Europe's largest open-pit talc operations. Each year, thousands of tons of this remarkably soft mineral are extracted here before finding their way into products most people use every day, from paper and ceramics to paints, plastics, cosmetics, and even pharmaceuticals. Working at this elevation brings its own challenges. Narrow mining benches, steep haul roads, and a short operating season demand equipment capable of delivering consistent production under demanding conditions. That's where the Caterpillar 6030 comes in. Designed for the mining industry, this hydraulic excavator weighs approximately 330 short tons and is powered by twin Cat C27 diesel engines, producing a combined output of around 550 horsepower. Depending on the configuration, its bucket can move more than 17 cubic yards of material in a single pass, making it an ideal match for large off-highway haul trucks. Watch the 6030 at work, and its movements appear surprisingly composed for a machine of this size. The boom rises steadily. The bucket curls through the freshly exposed material, and moments later, another full load drops cleanly into the waiting truck below. Despite weighing hundreds of tons, every hydraulic movement remains smooth and controlled, allowing operators to maintain an efficient loading rhythm throughout the shift. In an open-pit gold mine, every bucket carries more than just excavated material. Hidden within it are tiny traces of gold that will eventually be recovered through a long refining process. Because the metal exists in such low concentrations, success depends on moving enormous volumes of material every single day. That's exactly the kind of challenge the Komatsu PC4000 was built to meet. Developed as part of Komatsu's proven mining excavator lineup, the PC4000 combines high production with the reliability demanded by around-the-clock mining operations. Powered by twin diesel engines delivering approximately 1,800 horsepower, it operates at a working weight approaching 440 short tons. Depending on the attachment, its bucket holds up to about 22 cubic yards, allowing it to efficiently load haul trucks in the 150 to 240 short-ton class while maintaining consistent cycle times. Every loading cycle follows a steady rhythm. The bucket cuts cleanly into the working face, lifts a full load, then swings toward the waiting haul truck with controlled precision. From the operator's seat, every movement is carefully planned to maximize payload while minimizing unnecessary repositioning. Over the course of a single shift, those seemingly routine cycles add up to thousands of tons of material moved, forming the foundation of a highly efficient mining operation. It's a reminder that recovering one of the world's most valuable metals begins with disciplined engineering, skilled operators, and a machine built to perform the same demanding task hour after hour. At first glance, the loading cycle seems almost effortless, but behind every smooth movement is hundreds of tons of steel, thousands of hydraulic components, and decades of engineering experience working together with remarkable precision. That's exactly what the Liebherr R9350 was built to deliver. Designed specifically for high production surface mining, the R9350 operates at approximately 342 short tons and is powered by a Cummins QSK45 diesel engine producing around 1,500 horsepower. Equipped with a bucket capable of carrying up to about 23.5 cubic yards, it is engineered to load large mining haul trucks efficiently while maintaining fast, consistent cycle times throughout demanding production schedules. Every movement is deliberate, every cycle carefully repeated, allowing thousands of tons of material to be moved over the course of a single shift. Behind that performance is not only advanced engineering, but also the experience of operators and maintenance crews who keep the machine performing at its best every day. Machines like the Liebherr R9350 remind us that modern mining is about far more than impressive equipment. It is the combination of engineering, skilled people, and carefully planned operations that transforms raw materials beneath the ground into the resources that support industries and communities around the world. Every bucket is another step in a process that begins deep inside a mine and ends in the products people rely on every day. If you enjoyed this journey, consider subscribing and join us as we uncover more of the world's most extraordinary machines. Until next time, thanks for watching.